Welcome to the aviary at Mill Mountain Zoo. We have numerous species of bird living here, but I am going to highlight 4 of the different birds you will see when you visit. Now, as the nature of birds is to flit and fly about, especially when an annoying person with a camera is getting in their business, the bird I'm talking about may not always be the bird you see on screen. To help you identify them, they will be labeled when they first appear. I will also give descriptions that should make identification easy. So here we go. Blue-bellied rollers. These social, stocky, pigeon-sized birds received their name because of their blue bellies. They also have cream-colored heads, darker blue wings, and a forked teal-colored tail. Blue-bellied rollers, as with other rollers, got their name from their unique courtship flights. Rollers will roll or tumble through the air and to the ground while calling to their potential mates. Blue-bellied rollers are most often found in wooded areas and forest edges in the western and central part of Africa, from Senegal to the southern Sudan. Their heavy downward curved beak is ideal for eating a variety of insects, but they will also feed on small reptiles as well as oil palm fruits. Blue-bellied rollers will flock to forest and savanna fires where they wait outside the fire to feed on insects fleeing the flames. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature has listed them as a species of least concern due to their large range and fairly stable population. The cattle egret. These stunning white birds have long yellow bills and legs. Unlike other water-loving egrets and herons, cattle egrets typically feed in dry fields where they follow cattle and other grazers, waiting for them to flush out insects and small animals. The cattle egret is native to Africa, but spread to South America in the 1870s and appeared in North America in 1952. The population increased so rapidly that they now can be found throughout most of North America at different points during their annual migration. They are common year-round in Florida, the Gulf Coast, and parts of the southwestern United States. The superb starling. These small, stocky birds are metallic blue-green on their upper parts and neck, with a bronzy black face and very pale yellow eyes. They have a white band on the upper part of their chest, but the rest of their chest, belly, flanks, and thighs are a bright chestnut, with white under their wings and tail. These birds have a fairly melodious song that includes warbling, trilling, and chattering. Superb starlings prefer open woodlands, scrublands, and agricultural fields. They are found in parts of northeastern Africa, in countries like Ethiopia, Somalia, Tanzania, and the Sudan. Superb starlings eat a variety of insects, worms, fruit, grain, and agricultural pests, and occasionally crops as well. When foraging for food, they probe the soil with their beak and then force their beak open to clear a space in the dirt where they can search. Superb starlings are very social birds, gathering in groups that can sometimes include thousands of individuals. Their social nature extends to group assistance of breeding pairs as well. These helpers, usually the offspring from the male's previous broods, provide nesting material and food for the young. The species is considered widespread and abundant and is listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. The Nicobar Pigeon. Nicobar pigeons have striking metallic blue-green feathers with coppery reflections. The elongated feathers around their neck, called hackles, have black and purple iridescence. As with other pigeons and doves, they are fairly stocky with a small head. Nicobar pigeons are found in Southeast Asia, from India eastward on the Nicobar Islands, New Guinea, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines, where they prefer to live in mangroves and lowland forests. Their diet consists mainly of seeds, berries, and insects. Nicobar pigeons are monogamous and tend to mate for life. Males actually choose the nesting site and gather twigs, roots, and other materials for the female so that she can build the nest, but both parents share in the incubation of the 1 to 2 egg clutch. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature has listed the Nicobar pigeon as a near-threatened species because it is declining throughout its range. The main causes for this decline are from capture for food and the pet trade, habitat destruction, and predation from introduced mammals. Now that we are open to the public, we hope that you will come up and visit our aviary and see all of these beautiful birds for yourself.